What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority, and today we're going to put to the test 6 vintage kitchen gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first gadget I got here bag handle. You got a handle, nice big hole over here so even my big hand can hold it, and then you can hang up whole bunch of bags on top of it, so that way you can carry a lot of bags at once and not tangle up your fingers with those handles. So let's see if it works really well. So let's say you come up to your car, you want to grab all your grocery at once, especially if you live on a 3rd floor without elevator. Some apartments are like that. So then you can grab it, lift it and carry it to the car, out of the car very easily. I love it. Now I can bring it back to the house. Look how many bags there are. Up the stairs, set it on the kitchen table, release it, boom. Very nice. That's a lot of groceries at once with one hand versus having 2 hands, and it's a lot faster to hook everything up. Definitely a thumbs up for me for this gadget. For the next gadget I got here frozen food helper. It's a knife and at the same time a sealer. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. This could be really good to use it on a regular snack bags as well. You cut this open, do you see how easy it is? Then you take whatever you want to take out of the bag of snacks, and then whenever you want to seal it, just put it like that. You seal it all the way. Yep. And it actually holds it pretty good too. Okay, and nothing comes out. Wow, that's an awesome bag opener and sealer at the same time. I can't believe they don't make them anymore. Let's try another one. I have here a bunch of snacks, just hook it like that, and that knife is so sharp, but at the same time I cannot stick my finger in there, so that way I won't cut myself. Look how well it opened. Now it looks like a bowl. And once you're done eating, let's say you only eat couple, you can just close it even like this and put this too all the way down. Boom. Holds it really well. If I hold it upside down, don't come off. So it's not only works with frozen food, it works with any kind of bag. What an amazing gadget. Now let's see if it will work on a bigger bag of chips. Look at that. Perfectly. Wow. You got here puffs. Well, this gadget looks like don't work with these big bags because it's just not long enough. But you can always just fold it one time, close it like that, and then seal it. Boom. Now this gadget even works with the big bags too. Love this knife sealer at the same time so much. Thumbs up for me. For the next vintage kitchen gadget I got here 4-drop stopper. Fits around wine, soda, salad bottle, etc. So it catches drips and drops. This is really cool. Let's put it to the test, see how it works. So you got 4 pieces like that. Stick the dripper in. Oh, you know what? It stretches, so no problem. So instead of it dripping all the way down the bottle, it's supposed to catch it right here. Anyways, let's try it out. Kind of funny. You know what? It did catch a drop. I don't know. Let's try this again. Maybe it's mostly kind of heats it. Yeah, so there is a drop or two on the side right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but it does catch a couple drops here and there. Let me try to do this one more time so you guys can see. Fill it up. You see it catches a couple of drops, but I don't know, would I ever use this? Probably not. It's just kind of hilarious. Make your bottle looks like you have a little flower at the end there. For the next gadget I got here food chopper. Let's see what it does. Boom. So it looks like a plastic blade, not too sharp. Hopefully it will chop anyway. Okay, I'm gonna start with one, see what happens. You know what? Works so far so good. Even if you spin it, bite sizes, smaller pieces, but you could probably chop it as well. Chopping it not as good because you kind of really have to hit it. Versus whenever you're spinning it, it cuts all the way. Pretty cool. Boom. Super awesome. I like that gadget a lot. I can't believe that plastic can chop celery so easily. What do you guys think? Let me know in comments below. Would you use this knife, chopper, or would you use a regular shaped knife? For the next vintage kitchen gadget, I got here apple corer and at the same time lemon juicer. Let's see if it actually works, because that's a great idea if it works for both. I got super tiny apples. Hopefully it will work on apples. No way, it cuts too so easily. I guess you just spin it. Keep going too. Spin it all the way too. Is it gonna come out to the other side? No, it didn't. But for the most part, it almost did. Let me go to this side real quick. Finish it off. There you go. It popped out. Whoa! It almost did all the way, but look at that. Perfect core. Some of the seeds stayed in there, even though it's a really tiny apple already. This is crazy. I didn't think it's gonna work at all. It kind of somewhat worked. Let me show you guys again. It is very sharp. I guess you gotta spin it. Now it's slippery. So one side and maybe second side on this side. There you go. It goes too. And then you just pull it out. Okay, let's do one more apple. I'll put it in and stuff it. This is so easy to actually put it in and go through. I can't believe it. Kind of gets really slippery, so maybe take it out and go from the other side to finish it off. And I can't believe how sharp it is. Boom. And the core comes out. Wow, amazing. What do you guys think? So for the most part it takes it out, and very skinny core too. So definitely works only with small apples. Okay, next let's try this with lemon. I'm just gonna go to the peel. Wow, that's amazing how sharp that is. I'm probably going to remove this peel real quick so that way it doesn't get clogged. I guess it could have just went through, that's it. And then I can just keep going and spin it and penetrate it too all the way. And it's just getting thicker and thicker. Wow, this has actually worked pretty good. And then I can just mush it up on the outside to get all the juice out. And let's see if any juice comes out. Just very little bit. But again, if you squeeze it, more juice will come out. Let me try to squeeze this lemon up. So I'd say kind of works, kind of doesn't really squeeze the lemon that well, but they definitely make a lot of new gadgets just like that from plastic. So definitely a successful lemon juicer, because they're still making them new and newer ones. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.